Hi guys, Diane Haygarth here, Millionaire Mom. I'm just showing you the new updates in Builderall, and listen to the end because I've got some great bonuses for you. Okay, let's dive straight in. Builderall is a business in a box, and step one of your business is a capture page and website and emails, isn't it? So you've got a choice of any subject you like. Local businesses, there's doctors, dentists, restaurants, pizza places, 50% off, anything you like, you can do it. There's health ones, pet shops. It's in different languages because it's international, but you can give a voucher on and with 30% off, and that can be your freebie to get people to join your website. So all those are done for you. So if you want to do a capture page, again, done for you. There are quite a few different ones. If you want a product launch and you're launching a new product, the one that most used is the freebie funnel, where you can put a free gift in and then get the email that way in return for a freebie, either on the thank you page or on the email. Talking about emails, they're all in here. Mailing Boss is your equivalent to Get Response and Aweber, and you can do your sequences and your one-off emails and link it to your capture page with a click of a button. So you can do videos, you can do animated videos and floating videos. Floating videos are the ones that you see when you're actually, like I'm in the screen here, look, hello, but it's actually, I'm actually inside the website with no background. So it looks as though I live in the computer, which is quite cool. These are the best ones, right? The ones that I really use quite a bit is this one, the Facebook chatbot. I've finally learned how to do it with a free course, and you can do a little squeeze page in the chatbot, and they can go straight over to your chatbot. So my recommendation is do your free gift, and on the thank you page, put your chatbot. Top tip from the top here. You can do e-learning, you can generate scripts, you can have social proof. There's a new video wrapper where if you want to do a video, for instance, on a Facebook ad, you can put a black square around it and write your phone number or whatever you want to do. You can auto reply on Instagram, and you have Builderall's app, which is WhatsApp for Builderall, and the new 3.0 Builderall 3.0, it's coming out on the 4th of July. So we're going to have some more new toys to play with, and I'm going to be able to do another video. You can do webinars on this channel. You can find in the marketplace products to promote if you want to promote an affiliate product. Builderall Business is where you find all your funnels there and your leads and your training, lots of training. And let's have a look. So let me show you the earnings calculator. Don't forget, I am going to give you lots of bonuses at the end of this video. Okay, so one license is $50. So if you can sell 10, oh, here we go, it's in euros. That should be $500, guys, just bear with me. So if you sell 100, so that's 2 a week in a year, you will get $5,000, okay? Now imagine if, say, 50 of those became an affiliate and they all sold 30. Now, this is where it gets confusing. 30 people, 50 people who've got 30 is 1,500. So you can earn silly money by getting a team, and it's 2 tiers. So that's it, guys, in a nutshell. The bonuses, hold on a minute. The bonuses, if you join me, no, when you join me, I've got an affiliate marketing blueprint which gives you the tips on how to do it properly. Affiliate marketing for mistakes that you make, so that's quite good as well. I've actually done a video, affiliate marketing for beginners. You can have access to a 6-figure affiliate marketing bootcamp webinar by the great Liam James Kay of Builderall fame. I'll give you access to his super cheap traffic secrets for $9. I've also got some training worth $497. How to set up your capture page, email, autoresponder, and everything in a nutshell. It's only five different videos. Follow it, you've got your business sorted. The icing on the cake is when you join me today, you can get a free holiday. Yes, you heard right, a free holiday. There are selected destinations and there's some more coming in Europe this month, so watch this space. As soon as you buy Builderall, you get all these free gifts. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button and the notifications button, and write the word Victor, because he's getting a bit lonely. Write the word Victor below. We love you.